And that's our sport, Bruce.
Lovely stuff, Amy. Thank you very much for that. Tanya Dendrinos joins us now with some weather details, and drizzle and cool temps continue, Tanya.
They sure do, Bruce, but the mercury is forecast to climb a touch for the weekend. I'll have all the details next.
This report brought to you by Sporty Feature Pack Mazda 3. It's time to own it.
Welcome back. A cool start across the state and even a touch of frost in the Midland and Central North. Nathan's timing was impeccable, capturing the light show in this fabulous snap. If you've taken a weather photo you'd like to see up on screen, you can email it through to tasweather@windnetwork.com.au. Let's have a look across the state today. Devonport had already hit its top of 16 just after 11 this morning. 20 was the high for St Helens today. The mercury stretched to 15 at Strawn, but the warmest it felt was half of that. Hobart hitting a high of 18 degrees after starting off with 5, and a very icy -3 to start the day at Mount Wellington. Taking a look at the rainfall in the 24 hours to 9 a.m, Warra picked up 21 millimetres while 12 fell at Butler's Gorge. On the satellite and synoptic, a slow-moving high lies over South Australia, directing a westerly stream over Tasmania. As that high tracks eastward tomorrow, a weakening cold front will cross the state in the evening ahead of another high expected by Saturday. Onto the waters. In the north, west to northwesterly winds up to 25 knots. For the east, seas will be between 1 and 2 metres on a southerly swell. In the south, winds up to 25 knots with a chance of a storm late in the day. And for the west, a high chance of showers and southwesterly swell up to 3 metres. Taking a look at the forecast for tomorrow, showers about the west, far south and Bass Strait Islands extending to most districts for a period, with possible isolated thunderstorms about the west, Bass Strait Islands and east. Northwesterly winds will be fresh and gusty. A freezing start for Mount Wellington, expecting a warm at 9 degrees tomorrow, 14 the forecast high for Queenstown. Looking interstate tomorrow, a shower and storm ahead for Darwin and a few clouds lingering in Sydney, top of 19 degrees at Hobart. Looking ahead at home, for Burnie, a high chance of showers easing by Saturday with cloud remaining into next week. Launceston is looking at showers ahead, conditions remaining cooler until later in the weekend, and Hobart conditions remaining cloudy for the next few days, with possible showers ahead of a spike in temps next week, but at least those conditions are looking a little drier ahead of the weekend, Bruce.
Good news for weekend cricket, Tanya. Thank you for that, and thank you for your company tonight across Tasmania this Thursday, November 8th. That is how we saw your news. To keep up to date with us, you can find us on Twitter and also on Facebook. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday night. I'll see you tomorrow at 6.
This has been a Win News presentation. Win News, Regional Australia's #1 news source.